So you got your pink RC car, ages 8 plus. Pretty fancy box, I would say. It's got a wing. Okay, the wing with 2 screws to put it on. A pretty standard style remote for this grade of RC toy. Toy, very much well emphasized. Oh wow, it's got this old school like adjustment knob at the bottom. Very cheesy kind of shock absorber setup. But, you know, my wife wanted it because it's pink. You know, with her, it doesn't matter if something's good or not. It's just pink, so it's good, right? So she says it could help her learn how to drive an RC car because she has no knowledge of how to do so, and it ends up being more aggravation than worth whenever we play with it. So, you know, we've got a 4-year-old in here, and, you know, get both of them out there and they can learn how to drive together. It'd be fun. So you got your cells, 1200 milliamp, 7.4. So, you know, it's probably nickel or something. A USB charger, so you don't have any issues, and a proprietary plug that makes it so you don't try to charge it or anything else. Let's see what it looks like when it's running. I was installing the wing, and I just had to stop to mention this. I have gotten so many little cheesy screwdrivers, like with all kinds of drones. Anything comes with them now, and usually they're like so cheesy that they're not even usable. But the positive lock that you achieve with this one, like you're at an angle, like that's a pretty bad angle too, and it is just so easy to screw. I had to mention it. Another mention, I opened up this to put the battery in and just realized that there's 2 batteries. That's pretty cool, always to have an extra battery. Alright, so I got the batteries in the remote. Push it. Getting like a blinky light thingy. Turn the light. Whoa, some blue lights underneath the bottom. I don't know if there's some weird arming. Oh, I turned the wheels and it seems to already be working, so let me see. Yep, everything's working. It's rear-wheel drive only. Let me just test it out right here. Oh yeah, looks like it might be a little faster than I thought. I was really writing it off as a cheesy little toy, but excuse my workshop here because I've been doing a lot of airplane stuff and I got stuff everywhere. Yeah, it's just, yeah, it barely has any traction on our floors, so it should be fun outside. Probably do a little video of that once we get out there this weekend and bash a little. It's cool. I think the lights are doing like a little breathing effect. How cool is that? Oh, the lights up top work too. That is cool. She's gonna love it.
Looks like it has lights underneath. Not exactly sure what that control's for. This I think is the spoiler thing to the back. I'll look here in just a minute. I guess I should see what else it comes with. Here's the controller. Okay, it has lights below, lights up here, and I'm not exactly sure. I'm sure it probably works with the controllers, but I don't have that powered up yet. It has an extra battery and charger. The battery is a little tricky. Fitting the battery. There's a screw that goes in there. The battery and the wires in once you've got it hooked up. but I found that it fits this way best. There's a little clip thing down there where this normally stores when you don't have it hooked up. But I found putting it in that way, the way I just showed you, it fits best, and you can put the case or the cover back on with no problem. And then it takes your battery pack, and then you can also adjust if you need to adjust the, like if it needs to go left or right, something, or the alignment, you can as well. And so this takes 4 AA batteries, and then it comes with 2 4 AA battery packs you can recharge for the car. And they both came charged, and they both came full. And so I can really only do this with, I'll try to do it with one hand. But you can see, oh, it works great. Yeah, and so I it's hard to do with one hand, but you get the gist of it. It's pretty sweet. It works great, and it looks great, and it's a lot of fun to use. So let me know if this helps, and thank you.
Very good off-road.
Amazing quality, high durability, remote controlled monster truck.
Go.
Drive it right by us.
Oh, it puts a trim on it.